Okay. Saturday I was sick. Sunday I did Sabbath. But I had this materials waiting for me. My 7 new kits for my H2O to go bags. I woke up this morning, ran my errands, and came back. I thought, what 3-ring binder do I have? And I said, I don't have any, until I went into my bedroom and noticed I do. Many years ago, I made this beautiful thing, which I just absolutely love it now. Of course, I might have to make more. It's lasted, it's probably at least 20 years old, if not more. I love it. It works. It's clean. The top allows you to insert instructions, you name it. Something printed out. I think I'm going to have to make a little embroidery that says Sherry's Hooks and Needles now and slap it in there, because that's just perfect. So many years ago I made that. So I said, well, there's no photos in this. Lay them aside for now, because maybe I'll figure out where they come in handy. I also had collected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blanks here of these sleeves. And, well, I wasn't feeling well on Saturday. I remember saying to my husband, maybe I can organize my purse packs and all their parts into these sleeves. But at the time, I wasn't getting up and doing anything. I had a stomach problem. I knew about these, but I forgot about this. Now, flash forward 48 hours. I now have something I'm going to try. I know it might be silly. You might go, seriously, Sherry, you're not going to do that. I am going to do that. I'm going to take my kit of padded parts for this particular H2O to go bag. And the very first thing I'm going to do is assemble all the zipper sets, and then I'll attach them eventually to this. But in the meantime, I'm going to take all these parts and that I'm not going to be using right away. I should have 4 of these, 2 of the front fabric and 2 of the inside for my zipper tabs, but I don't. So I'm going to take this kit. I'll find them in my pile, because that's why disorganization doesn't help you. Today's lesson is about staying organized and keeping everything in your kit together. So I thought one Saturday, brain worked, body didn't. Take these and store them in anything at the time, anything I had to stay organized. Today, 48 hours later, I get my kit assembly. I go to my next kit, which is going to be gorgeous, gray or black lining. All the pieces are here. This will be the front flap that covers the passport, credit cards, and of course, always going to find spare threads floating around. Card back sides, bottom, and once again, not having the zipper tape tabs. They're here. They are here. They probably were set aside to work on with the zippers, and then when I was sick, they felt more to the wayside. So I'm going to put this kit. This one is just my paisley bag, I'm going to call it. And this I'm going to call my seagull bag. And I'm going to pull up the next color set, which is different from the rest, is going to be red. More like an Aztec or a Southwestern theme. With the X awesome fabric here. And here's the zipper tabs that are going to go on the zipper. So this zipper is going to stitch onto this, and these zipper tabs are the first piece of the kit that I'm going to use. So I'm going to put them on top. A lot of sewing, quilting, making anything is about organizing. First, preparing all your pieces. Organizing, if you do assembly line, which I do when I make these bags because it works really good for me. Organizing. So far I've got 3 kits. All I got to do is go through them when I'm ready and make them. Okay, you didn't have to sit and watch me put them all in, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kits of my H2O to go bag ready for moving on to the next step. And how fantastic it fits here. I'm going to say the 90s. So 30 years ago, look around at your stuff. If you haven't thrown it away because it looked too nice, realize for sewing storage. Wait till I fill this in. I could even put a little printout of the pattern, something about the pattern from my printer, and slide it in here so you'll know this is my H2O to go kit. Thank you for watching.